Cardano was one of the most anticipated projects in the crypto world in 2020. It saw price action from 10 cents all the way to a high of $3.09 in 2021, a 39x move to the upside. However, competition is fierce in the crypto space. Does Cardano have what it takes to make it to the top? In this video, we will shed some light on why Cardano could be the layer one to rule them all. ADA is Cardano's utility token. It's used to pay for transactions. It can be staked, earning rewards. You can delegate ADA to support new projects and much more. The start of the initial coin offering for Cardano began on August 31st, 2015 and ended January 31st, 2017. The price of Cardano at ICO was 0.0024 cents, quite cheap, and the price increased as the funding rounds were carried out. The total supply of Cardano is capped at 45 billion tokens, and ADA's allocation is as follows. 57.6% of the total coin supply was made available at ICO, which means that approximately 25.9 billion ADA were in that token sale. 30.9 were allocated as staking rewards. 11.5% was held by the Cardano team. The market cap as of November 30th, 2022 was $11,224,000,000 plus dollars. Now that we have covered some of the tokenomics, let's take a look at the network's development. The era of developments which we talked about were not piecemeal and happened in parallel. There is continuing improvement happening all the time, and you can go to essential Cardano updates for development updates and recent articles. There is a plethora of information available there for you to geek out on. So who is spearheading this project, you may be wondering at this point. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson. He's an American entrepreneur who founded Input Output Global, formerly IOHK, and the Cardano blockchain. Hoskinson attended Metropolitan State University of Denver to study analytical numbers theory, so he's a math guy. Charles first got involved with cryptocurrency with a project called the Bitcoin Education Project. Later, Charles joined the Ethereum team as one of the original founders with Vitalik Buterin in the late 2013. Buterin and the Ethereum team removed Hoskinson in 2014 after disputes about the direction Ethereum should take. In late 2014, Charles and Jeremy Woods founded IOHK, an engineering company that builds blockchain. Charles was born on November 5th, 1987 in Hawaii. If you want more information on Charles, he is very active on YouTube and frequently gives his opinion on a variety of subjects. Simply search for Charles Hoskinson and you will see his videos. Some of the latest development on Cardano ecosystem are as follows. On the more recent news, there was an ISPO launch on November 21st, 2022 for Climate Neutral Cardano. CNC is an alliance of Cardano stake pool committed to using 100% renewable energy for the operation of Cardano's stake pool server. You stake Cardano will be used to plant trees with a goal of 1 million trees for the dubbed Cardano Forest. Most of the recent news has revolved around the Cardano Summit, which I already talked about. So I thought that I would mention some of the projects I think you should keep your eyes on. First of which is the World Mobile Token, which I am a big fan of. The WMT is a digital token created to connect the unconnected and bank the unbanked. With nearly 4 billion people left online, digital exclusion is a significant problem. World Mobile will deliver a revolutionary, scalable network in Africa and beyond. There will be blimps to cast network signals across wide areas. You can get an Earth node and earn WMT by doing so. The inroads into Africa are noteworthy because they are part of Cardano's overall strategy. To quote Charles Hoskinson here, if you can get infrastructure built in Africa and it deploys successfully, you have a social building block that you can then bring to the West. World Mobile Token, if successful, could have really great price action in the next crypto bull run. So keep an eye on that project. Another project that has gotten a lot of attention is Ardana. Ardana is a decentralized stablecoin hub which can help bring the necessary liquidity to maintain a strong Cardano economy. Ardana is fully decentralized. It can be used to borrow stable coins against locked collateral. DUSD is the stablecoin being developed by Ardana and which is intended to work with DanaSwap, a Cardano DEX. Empowa is another project, and it's the first real-fi property platform on Cardano that has a mission to provide affordable housing and banking services to those without those services in Africa. EMP is the Empowa utility token that allows individuals to participate in sustainable projects. They sell NFTs to raise funds, and they are trying to solve very real problems. Cryptocurrency that works, that is called RealFi when it does things like property. If Empowa tokens are used to pay for housing, their value will be sustainable in a way very few other cryptocurrencies dream of, if successful. Also, I would like to mention Pavia, a very interesting metaverse project. The project is owned by Pasia Corp, a legal entity in Seychelles. The main aspect of Pavia is land. Pavia has 100,000 land parcels which were sold as NFTs. The parcels have coordinates that indicate the position on the Pavia map. Pavia users make a model and create virtual stores, 2,000 stores apparently at the moment. Also interesting is that Pavia plans to build interoperability between metaverses like Decentraland and Sandbox.